It feels like the whole game in tech sales is changing. It's not just about being a smooth talker anymore. For 2026, it seems there's a new non-negotiable entry ticket for anyone serious about a career in cloud collaboration.
It's absolutely a new baseline. We're talking about the Cisco 700 to 680 certification, the CSAS. It's become this mandatory golden passport. If you want to sell or design solutions within Cisco's official partner program, you can't avoid it. And the numbers don't lie. People who get it are seeing about a 30% higher job placement rate.
A 30% boost is huge. And I saw it comes with a 15 to 20% salary bump right away. So this isn't just a nice to have, it's a financial decision.
Exactly. And what's interesting is that this isn't some brutal deep dive engineering exam. It's specifically designed for the people facing the customers, the account managers, and pre-sales engineers. It's about ensuring they can translate complex tech into solutions for real business headaches. In 2026, you don't just sell products, you sell the seamless Monday morning experience, and this is your license to do that.
Got it. So it's essentially the foundation for a high paying career in cloud sales. But what exactly is inside this 60-minute gauntlet? Let's break down the exam blueprint.
It's a pretty intense hour.
The exam itself is surprisingly tight. You've got 60 minutes to answer about 40 questions, and you need a high score, at least 750 out of 1,000. It covers the core WebEx services, but it also dives deep into the FlexPlan licensing and security standards like GDPR.
Right, but here's the counterintuitive part. Most people assume the technical piece, how WebEx meetings works, is the hardest part. It's not. It's actually the collaboration flex plan and the licensing that trips most people up.
Really, the money side of things?
Yes, if you don't understand how smart accounts work or how to pool licenses for a company to save them money, you won't pass because that's what the customers are really asking about cost optimization. The exam doesn't just ask what is WebEx, it asks how do you keep a hospital's data safe with HIPAA compliance while they're using it? That's where the real value lies.
That makes sense. It's a shift in focus.
That's the aha moment here. Modern collaboration expertise has moved from simple product knowledge to administrative and financial mastery. Cisco is selling subscriptions, not just boxes of hardware anymore. The exam proves you can manage a company's spend as much as their software.
Right? It's about the business of tech, not just the tech itself. Now, if you pass this, where does it actually take you? Let's talk about the money and the long-term career path.
This is where it gets really interesting.
Let's talk numbers. A collaboration SaaS specialist, which is the entry point with this cert, starts around $65,000. But if you follow the path through CCNA and CCNP all the way to CCIE, you're looking at a $250,000 salary as a chief collaboration architect.
And you can't forget the industry bonus. If you take this 700 to 680 knowledge into the financial or healthcare sectors, you're looking at an extra 25% on top of those averages. Their security and compliance needs are just so much higher, so they pay a premium for that expertise.
So the aha here is that the certification is a multiplier. It's not just a flat rate. It's how you combine it with specific industry expertise, like being the person who knows how to make WebEx HIPAA compliant for a major hospital chain.
It's a huge multiplier. And it's not just industry, it's also about stacking. A single certification is a job, a certification stack is a career fortress. The data shows that pairing this 700 to 680 with a more technical cert like the CCNA collaboration can boost your earnings by another 20 to 30%. Also, while North America still has the highest average salaries, the real growth engine now is the Asia Pacific region. We're seeing a consistent 15% annual salary growth there for these roles.
Exactly. It's the foundation of a very lucrative tower. To wrap this up, can you give us the key takeaways for anyone considering this path?
Sure, first, the financial impact is immediate. You're looking at a 20% salary increase and access to Cisco's top tier partner programs. Second, focus your study on the money and security. While WebEx features are important, mastering the FlexPlan licensing and compliance standards like GDPR is what will get you a passing grade. Third, think in terms of stacking. The real money is in combining this sales-focused cert with technical ones like the CCNA to maximize your value. A single cert is good, but a stack makes you indispensable.
And what about keeping the certification active?
It's valid for 3 years, and the renewal process itself shows how the industry is changing. You can retake the exam, sure, but you can also earn 40 continuing education credits. That reflects a move toward active contribution. You maintain your status by participating in community events or publishing technical articles, not just by passing a test. Or, if you get a higher level cert like the CCNA, it automatically renews this one. It's all about continuous growth.